The stock market can be scary. The constant fluctuations, the unpredictable nature, and the fear of losing money can be overwhelming for many. It's a world where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye, but it can also make you a lot of money. With the right strategies and a bit of luck, you can turn your investments into substantial profits. The thrill of seeing your portfolio grow is unmatched. Imagine having the skills to navigate the markets, being able to predict trends, make informed decisions, and capitalize on opportunities. It's like having a superpower in the financial world. Think about growing your wealth, not just for today, but for the future. Building a nest egg that can provide security and comfort for you and your loved ones. This is achievable with profitable trading, diversifying your investments, understanding market dynamics, and staying informed can lead to consistent gains. It's not gambling, it's about learning, educating yourself, understanding the risks, and making calculated decisions. Knowledge is your best tool in this journey. Trading requires knowledge and discipline. It's about staying focused, being patient, and not letting emotions drive your decisions. Discipline separates successful traders from the rest. You can achieve financial freedom. Imagine having the freedom to live life on your terms, without financial worries. Trading can be your path to that freedom. Take control of your financial future. Set clear goals, plan your strategy, and take proactive steps towards achieving them. Your financial destiny is in your hands. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Join a community of like-minded individuals, learn from experts, and share your experiences. Together, we can achieve great things. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that requires dedication and hard work. But the rewards are worth it. It takes time and effort. Late nights, continuous learning, and constant analysis are part of the process. But every step brings you closer to your goals. Are you ready to put in the work? Equip yourself with the right tools, resources, and mindset. Prepare to dive deep into the world of trading. Let's learn how to become a profitable trader. Together, we'll explore strategies, share insights, and support each other on this journey to financial success. Trading involves buying and selling assets. It's a dynamic and fast-paced environment where decisions need to be made quickly. These assets are stocks, bonds, and currencies. Each type of asset has its own characteristics and behaves differently in the market. The goal? To buy low and sell high. Simple, right? Not quite. Market fluctuations can make this challenging. You need to understand market trends. This involves studying historical data and predicting future movements. You need to analyze charts. Look for patterns and signals that indicate potential price movements. You must manage risk effectively. This means setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio. Knowledge is power in trading. Start with the basics. Learn about order types. Understand market indicators. Familiarize yourself with trading terminology. Practice with a demo account. This allows you to test strategies without risking real money. This will boost your confidence. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. It will prepare you for real-world trading. When you're ready, you'll be able to make informed decisions and execute trades with confidence. There are various trading styles to explore. Day trading is fast-paced. Traders open and close positions within a single day. Swing trading is about capturing short to medium-term price swings. Long-term investing focuses on long-term growth. Choose a style that suits your personality and risk tolerance. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different styles. Find what works best for you. This will maximize your profit potential. Section 4. Strategies for Success, your trading toolkit. In this section, we will explore the essential tools and strategies that successful traders use to navigate the complex world of trading. Successful traders rely on proven strategies. They understand that consistency and discipline are key to achieving long-term success in the market. Technical analysis involves studying charts. By analyzing historical price movements and trading volumes, traders can make informed predictions about future market behavior. It identifies patterns and trends. Recognizing these patterns can help traders identify potential entry and exit points, maximizing their profit potential. Fundamental analysis focuses on a company's financial health. This involves examining financial statements, earnings reports, and other key indicators to assess the true value of a stock. It helps determine the intrinsic value of an asset. Risk management is crucial. By managing risk effectively, traders can protect their investments and minimize potential losses. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification spreads risk across different assets, reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a variety of asset classes, you can create a more resilient and balanced portfolio. These strategies, when combined, can significantly enhance your trading performance. By integrating technical and fundamental analysis, along with effective risk management and diversification, you can develop a comprehensive trading approach that adapts to changing market conditions. Section 5. Mastering risk, protecting your capital. Risk management is paramount in trading. It involves protecting your capital. Set stop-loss orders. This limits potential losses. Determine your risk tolerance. Don't let emotions dictate your trades. Fear and greed can cloud judgment. Stick to your trading plan. Don't chase losses. Avoid impulsive decisions. By managing risk, you preserve capital. This allows you to stay in the game for the long haul. Section 6. The path to profitability. Discipline and continuous learning. Becoming a profitable trader takes time and effort. Stay disciplined. Follow your trading plan. Continuously educate yourself. The market is dynamic. Stay ahead of the curve. Learn from your mistakes. They are valuable lessons. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Trading can be incredibly rewarding. It offers financial freedom. It provides continuous learning. Start your journey today. Become a master of the markets.